Good day guys, my name is Ayokomi Emmanuel. You are welcome to my channel. On this channel, I teach people how to use CorelDraw, Photoshop, Illustrator to design flyer, logo, business card, and also mockup, and also product design. So if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscription button and also click on the notification button so that you will be notified once I drop a new video. So the first thing is to set our size. The size of this design is 8 by 10 inches. After that, double click on this rectangle tool, then import your first background. This is our first background. Change the direction to 90. Power click inside this rectangle tool, expand it and come here to bitmap, blur, Gaussian blur. Change it to 10. After that, click on OK. Then click on Ctrl I again to import the second background. This is the second background. Let it be in the middle by pressing P, expand, then move it up. Power click inside this background, then come here to your transparent tool. Then click on normal, then screen. So after that, draw your we are still on the transparent tool. Don't leave it. Draw your transparent so that it will reduce the second background. After that, click on OK. The next step is to import the third background. Click on Ctrl I. This is the third background. This background. Expand. Click on P to put it at the middle. Expand the background. After that, move it down a little bit. Then come here to your transparent tool. Draw a line. Draw it. After that, click on OK and come here to bitmap it and press OK. Come back to transparent again. Click on this. After that, click on check. Then come here to rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle and color it to be full black. After that, remove the borderline. And come here to transparent tool again. Draw your line. Draw it. After that, so we are done with the background. You can select background by grouping it. Ctrl G. So the next step is to import the logo, the business logo of what we are designing. So this is the logo. Come here to trace and click on quick trace. Remove the former logo. The purpose of the quick trace is to convert the logo to vector format. After that, so we need to type the business name. My underscore year giving.ng. So the font we are using is Trojan Pro for this business name. Then change the color to white. Click on this here and click on Shift. Then press this and click on C. We center both the business name and the logo. After that, reduce the business name to 20. After that, then we need to click on our present. So the next step is to type the present. Change the color to white, and the font we are using for this present is White Dream Personal. Change the size to 20. Move it up. Change the size to 24. After that, then we need the awoof. So you can get the awoof manipulation online on Google. Press Ctrl I, import your awoof. So come here to quick trace it out. After that, delete this one. Awoof. So the next one is to type our bracket. Okay. So the font we are using this is Natura. So then click on the rectangle tool, draw a simple rectangle on this, then color it to be white. Remove the border line and move and change the bracket to black, full black. Then after that, move it inside the rectangle we've created. Delete this one. So the next step is to import the date. The date icon, you can get the date icon online. So this C starts. This start 17 to 30. So import our date, Ctrl I to import date icon, quick trace, detail logo, so we've convert to the vector format, reduce the size, group it together, to move it up. So we are moving forward. Look this one. Look it. The next step is to this is the CEO picture. So draw a rectangle, very big rectangle, triangle rather, rectangle, and change the borderline to 4 and change the color to be white. So the border color, change it to white by clicking here, change to white here. After that, we need to import our image, the CEO image. This is the image of the CEO. Then power click inside the rectangle we've created. After that, we need to create our first circle. The first is our circle. So after that, click here and draw, release to duplicate. After that, click on the background and come here, then reduce this one we've created, then duplicate this circle. After that, we need to import our each logo. Ctrl I the first picture, we import our picture, the first picture, import our first picture, use our first picture, click inside the first circle, arrange it properly, import again the second picture, click inside the circle again, click here, reduce the size to fit in, click on Ctrl I again to import, or click inside again, so the last one, import again, click inside the circle we've created, good, group it together. After that, we need to type our 14 days massive discount case for as low as 20k on all width bundles. So the first one is to come here to your rectangle tool, draw your rectangle, then come here to the shape tool by pressing Ctrl, then draw. Good. Come here to your border line, change it to 4. So after that, change the color to white, then click on Shift Ctrl Q to separate the border line and the color. Q. We've done that now. So what we need to do now is to reduce this background white. We've separated it now. So click on white, change this one to white, then the next step is to import our golden background. You can get the golden background online on Google. This is the golden background we are using. So after that, click inside the circle we've created. So the next one is 14 days. Click on here, type your 14 days. 14 days. So change the font to Patura as user. After that, change the color to black. Then come here to your contour. Then click on contour. After that, change it to white. Increase it. So once you click on contour, the information will come here, the tools concerning the contour, because this is where you edit. So after that, uncheck it, then click on K to separate the contour we've created and the text. Ctrl K. So we separated it. So now we can now give it our color, the red and yellow. So click on interactive tool. After that, draw a line, then come into black to red, and this one is yellow. After that, uncheck and change this background to black, to full black. So we are done with that. So the next step is to type our massive discount. Change it to full black. Change the size to 20. Move it up. Perfect. So the next step is to import our contact details, the numbers and the Instagram handle. So let's assume that this is the number 070 62 96 12. and 090 32 13 93 314. So import you need to get your call icon and WhatsApp icon online. After that, place it here. So the next one is to type your Instagram, my underscore here video. So the next step is to import your Instagram icon. So you can get your Instagram icon online. All these things, they are online. Get your Instagram icon online. Make sure you reduce the size of this icon. Yes. So that is it. Group it and place it at the middle. So the next step is to add our flare light. So you can control how you can get it online also. This is it. Then come here to transparent tool, then click on screen. Reduce the size. So then put it here at this middle. Then we need to cut the wings away. So we are done with that. So that is all. Our sales flyer is ready now. So you just need to JPEG it out by clicking on file, export as well. This flyer. So these are sales flyer. So thank you guys. Please, if you have any questions, you can drop your questions under the comments section and I will attend to you. Thank you so much. See you next time.